Hello guys, and today we're going to be making a game where there's a sinister guy and he'll keep on chasing you. And if you get all the coins there without touching the sinister guy, you win. But if the sinister touches you before you get all the coins, then you lose. So first, let's make the sprites. So let's say that the name of this sprite is to us, okay? Because we're the user, or let's say user, okay? Rename the sprite to user. The costume, let's say dog, okay? Now let's make another sprite who's evil guy. Sinister person. You can use whatever you want for the middle, but most people just use this, you see. Wait just a second, I'll show you. Let's see now. Okay, sinister. Yeah. Now, let's use this guy. Now, if you wonder how you can get other characters than just the list here, you have to go to more and then you just select, like let's say evil. Then you can choose this, like that. They're two guys, two twins. That's funny. Now, let's make a new sprite that's renamed to, let's say, coin. Rename this sprite to coin. Create. Now, let's say this is a coin. Copy and paste. Now, you see, so now let's just change this things. Coin 2, coin 3, things like that. Coin 1. Now let's rename this to coin 2. And this, let's rename it to coin 3. And not at the same location. Oh, no, man. Coin 3. You see. Okay, now let's not keep them all in the same location. Let's give a random location. Now, how do we get a random location? And yeah. Now, you see. You have to go to locations here. See this? Random location. Now we can just copy and paste them. Hello? Where is the copy and pasting? Yes. We need copy and pasting. Copy and pasting is very important to live. Okay, fine. It's not important to live. Just, Now you see. Every time it'll be doing different locations. But don't worry, okay? Well, if it does touch, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so now this is... Now we have to do behavior. We have to set the sinister guy to wander around. Because we can't just keep him chasing. Or else you can never get the coins. Now. My sprite is not my sprite. It is sinister. Begins wandering. Now don't worry about those behaviors, okay? Behavior is just like functions. You'll know what function is later on in this course. But for now, just notice that we're doing some things. Did you see that? He's changing faces. He's looking very evil. So now this guy, the doggy, the user, which is us, has to also be able to move by the arrows keys. And now you see, go to events. And you see this? So now we are using events finally. Serial copy, serial paste. Paste. Wow. We need copy and pasting. Yes. Yes, this is something. Now, let's go to actions. And let's, wait just a second. For this, we actually need some more space. Well, we know about actions from the previous class. Like, from the previous tutorial. Now, let's go to actions. And let's say, move the sprites. Yay, moving sprites. Even though that's actually quite cheap. Don't worry, it's not cheap. Nothing's cheap. Now, move user. Where is my sprite? My sprite wasn't even created. Oh my goodness. Yes, I copied and pasted it. South. Wait, I'm gonna put this into the order of, like, never eat soggy waffles later. Right. You should do it east. Left. You should probably do what, maybe? Let's say west? Yeah, west. Now, never eat soggy waffles. Yahoo! Okay, whatever. Now, we gotta make sure that this thing just can't go over the edges. But for now, it's all fine. But, later on, look. If you put in while, look at what happens. You see that? You can just get out of this map. So now we have to go to actions and get something that says edges block this sprite from moving. Now, no. Now you have to do it for all of them because you see, if it's only for moving right, then if you're moving up, then it won't block. Just like that. There. No. Yes. Now you can see the user can't get out of the map just to get the coins. Because the user now can cheat. I'm have to have luck. Yeah, so now, whatever. You can't just diddle-daddle. Now, you see, when this thing touches all the coins, this is you win. So and they all disappear. Now, events. When this thing touches. But first, let's just say when the sinister guy touches it. When touches sinister. So now we have to put that action within the trigger. Now, whenever a user touches sinister, the sprite has to disappear. So you see this in the sprite section. Go to here and you see remove sprite. I do not like this picture sprites anymore. Move user. Wait, what? Stop it. Now you see? Now let's see. Boom! That's it. Removed. And also, let's say that you lost. So now we have to go to text and put a message that says, no, not print. Let's just say, show title screen. You lost. So now let's see. You lost. There, that works perfectly. Now let's say whenever you got coins, okay? Now, Then user touches coin 1. No. Let's say, okay, now, let's say that you want this guy to win, right? Exactly when it equals to 30. So now, let's say we make up a variable. Don't worry, you're going to learn more about variables also. So don't worry about the other keys that you don't understand. Right now, I'm only telling about how events can be used and useful. Now, blah, 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 okay? Don't worry. Math? I plus. Actually, never mind. Yeah, so yeah. Whenever user touches, let's just worry about this right now. Whenever user touches coin 1, it should disappear. Removes the spray. Remove coin 1. Because if you use a picture coin, then it's just going to remove all the coins. And like this again for coin 2. Like if you can't select and copy, that's the only problem with this. But well, that's no problem. I'm not too lazy to know. Okay, now you should move this to coin 2 and also this to coin 3. What? That's just wrong. Now, don't worry about these variables now, because now we're going to eventually add some variables. Like variables will be in the next class. In the next tutorial. Set I to 0. Wait just a second. Now, set I to I plus 1. Don't worry, okay? Now, oh, you thing, you thing. Yes, this is what I want. I plus 1. That is important. Now we can just copy and paste this 2 times. There. You see this? Now, don't worry about this function thing also, okay? So, just don't worry, okay? So now, like everything you're gonna learn, but for now, you just understand on how events work. No way. Now, I put numbers. See? Wait, I don't put one of the numbers. Wait, just a second. Yeah, now I have to use the variable. Now you have to show title screen that says, Yahoo, you won! Now, let's see. Okay, except it is not working. For some reason. Wait, I'm supposed to put it before. Yeah, now you see, it will work. Sure. Or maybe not. So yeah. No. Yeah, so like for some reason it's not. But for now, I hope you just understand the things about this, like these things, like about how events work and that. Oh, so bye bye guys. See you next time.